you. I want you to transform these into negative,
Okay.
whether it's normal negative, ne pas, or the other ones.
Okay.
So same thing as yesterday, send it to me on WhatsApp as soon as you're done.
Okay.
Parle pas anglais, je ne mange. Where is the pas? The pas
Oh,
is
yeah.
missing over here.
I didn't write it down the pa, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, fine, it's fine.
Yeah.
It's fine. So this one has to be nous ne mangeons pas du pain. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
But the thing that I wanted you to remember is that once you have du in your thing, in your
Yeah.
sentence, it transforms to
Yeah.
de. Ne mange pas de pain.
Oh, in negative?
Yeah, a negative it transforms to de.
Okay. I'll write down.
Always. Il ne. Same thing for the second one. Ils ne boivent jamais. Ils ne mangent pas. Attends, nous ne mangeons pas de pain. Yeah.
The cafe.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Et tu n'aimes pas le chocolat. That's good.
Okay.
So just remember that when you have du, it becomes de.
Okay. In negative, right?
Yeah, a negative.
Okay.
A negative always. As long as you have du after your negative part, after your verb, it becomes de.
Okay.
Okay, good. You wanna take the correction? Did you take?
I did, yeah. I changed
yeah. And the part that you're missing over here.
Yeah, I didn't write it down the part.
Okay, good. Perfect. Let me just go to the next slide, then I'll remove the little ones. Effacer tous les dessins. Good. So, practicing the answers. Je parle anglais. Do you want to read them for me? Just to practice your go ahead.
Je parle anglais. Je ne parle pas anglais. Nous mangeons du pain.
Du pain.
Du pain. Nous ne mangeons pas de pain. Ils buvaient du café.
Ils boivent, they drink coffee. Ils boivent du café. Boivent. Try it again.
Bois. Il boit de café. Il veut du café. Il ne veut pas de café.
Good.
Tu aimes?
Tu aimes?
Tu aimes le chocolat? Tu n'aimes pas le chocolat?
That's good. That's good. You did good. I don't see the, yeah, sorry. Let me just put on the subtitles. Yeah, that's good. So now we're going to see, because there is not only the that transforms, there are three of them. So we're going to see that, which is what we call partitive articles in negative. So it's an important rule. Why? Because in French, when you make a sentence negative and it contains what we call partitive article, like du, de la, des, okay? They change to de, all of them. All of them become de, okay? Or the apostrophe before a voyelle, okay? Always the rule, the elusive rule of two vowels meeting, one has to go. This is because in affirmative sentences, partitive articles du, de la, et des express some. It means some, or an unspecified quantity. In negative sentences, you're essentially saying any or none of. So French uses the basic preposition de. Did you get where I'm going with this? So there are partitive articles. They're called partitive. They transform to de. Why? Because when you are in affirmative, quand je dis je bois du café, okay? I drink some coffee, okay? But when I say je ne bois pas de café, I say I don't drink any coffee. See?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
any here is replaced in the syntax and the meaning of French. The way we're
Okay.
gonna say it is de.
Okay.
It's specified that it's any or none of. So this is an important rule that I want you to take on the notebook and concentrate on actually remembering it.
Okay.
And after you write it down, I'm gonna ask you a question about it.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, now we have the examples for this part, which are je bois du vin, I drink wine. Je ne bois pas de vin, I don't drink wine. Elle mange de la viande, she eats meat. Elle ne mange pas de viande. See how it changes?
Yeah.
So she doesn't eat meat. Ils ont des amis, ils n'ont pas d'amis. See over here, they gave you like the de transformed because there is a voyelle and with the apostrophe. So they have friends, they don't have friends. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Basically, it's saying they don't have any friends.
Okay.
It's like we said here, ils ont des amis, they have some friends, and then they don't have any friends.
Okay.
So yeah, your turn to write it down, please.
Okay.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm making you write down a lot, so.
No, it's fine. More I write, more I remember. So.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Check on this part. So I was saying, we will see how we form interrogative sentences today. And it's going to be basically about the how do you do it basically. So I'm going to go through it very fast because we still have the other lesson on interrogative, which is which is the one where I explain to you what are the words that are used for interrogative apart from est que, because est que is the one you would use to ask anything like directions, but the intonation can also help because when I say a sentence, j'aime quelque chose, tu vois, j'aime le piano, for example.
Yeah.
Or I was gonna say tu aimes le piano, I would say it affirmatively, but I can always say tu aimes le piano. See, so the intonation is actually a question. It's like in English, same thing.
Yeah.
And inversions. Inversion is aimes-tu le piano, right?
Okay.
So I will just give you the examples over here on this one, and then we'll move to how. Sorry, I needed this. Okay, yeah. So intonation, I would say tu aimes le piano, for example, which would have sounded like I was saying it in affirmative, but differently. I would say est-ce que tu aimes le piano? Sorry. Oh my God, I'm used to QWERTY keyboards. Piano. And the last one is inversions. You take the verb before your subject. Next one is using est que. So, oh, sorry, inversion. Est que. Okay. So you place est que at the beginning of the sentence. Donc, tu aimes le café becomes est-ce que tu aimes le café? It's very simple.
So you just put that in front of the sentence.
That part before. Yeah.
Okay.
So inversion of subject and verb. You invert the subject and the verb. Look at this. And you add a hyphen, kind of. So between them. So vous parlez français. Parlez-vous français? I don't need to raise my voice. I don't need to put est-ce que. It's just taking the verb before your subject and putting a hyphen between them.
Yep.
Done.
We did this when we were doing the verbs as well, right? So,
yes, we did it. We did the interrogative form of avez-vous and stuff like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely. but it's more in depth for this subject because this is actually a part, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, go ahead. Can you take this on your notebook, please?
Yep.
Okay, now we're gonna look at the interrogative words. There are many. It's not only SQ because there is qui, who, like English, you have who, what, where, when, why, how much, how many.
Yeah.
So who is qui? What is que? For example, qui est là? Who is here? Que fais-tu? What are you doing? Où es-tu? Where are you? Quand veux-tu venir? Par exemple, when do you want to come to my house, for example?
Yeah.
Pourquoi? Why? Why did you do that? Pourquoi as-tu fait cela? Comment? How did you do it? Comment as-tu fait cela? Combien? Combien coûte cela? Ou combien coûte cette robe? How much does this dress cost? Coûte. Okay, so take them first, then we're going to go into examples of them. Perfect. So, using interrogative words. Où habites-tu? Where do you live? Comment vas-tu? How are you? Pourquoi tu ris? Why are you laughing? That's the question you're gonna ask me every time. Pourquoi tu ris? Yeah. So do you have any questions on this one?
No.
Okay, go ahead and write them down, please.
Okay.
Perfect. Now we're gonna talk about yes and no questions. They can be formed using intonation, est-ce que inversion, like the same thing. Est-ce que tu as un frère? C'est basically the ones you reply to with yes or no. So you take it from the affirmative form that someone, if you tell them that in an intonation, they're gonna reply yes or no. And you just make it into est-ce que or inversion, right? So this is like a small part. If you want to take it, or if not, we can skip to the next one.
I'll just take it. Yeah.
Sure. So the next one is open-ended questions. These are not, you cannot use only est-ce que or inversion of intonation. These are like used with interrogative words, of course. So when I'm going to ask où habites-tu, they're gonna say I live somewhere, you know. They don't answer with yes or no. Combien ça coûte? How much does it cost? It's gonna be it costs $12 or $20 or something like that. So please take that open-ended questions are used with interrogative words, not est-ce que, not inversions, and not intonation.
Okay.
Same thing we were doing. So convert the following statements into questions.
Okay.
So, and don't make it like make it inversions or with est que.
Okay.
Don't make it only intonation.
Okay.
Go ahead. Le chocolat. So, est-ce que tu aimes le chocolat? Aimes-tu le chocolat? Parlez-vous anglais? Est-ce que vous parlez anglais? Est-ce que je travaille? Est-ce que il est-ce qu'il... Okay, the last one is...
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you know what's the error in the last one?
It means you work here, right? No.
Yeah, but you have two vowels meeting.
Oh, then there will be listening here because two vowels cannot face each other.
Yeah, so it's apostrophe.
Yeah.
Travaille ici.
Yeah.
Check the last one. Travaille-t-il ici? You just missed the hyphen in both of them, and three of them. So travaille, the hyphen between the verb and
Okay.
always never
Yeah.
forget it. So this
So-
one was good. Est-ce que it was good? Est-ce que Est-ce que tu aimes le chocolat? That was good. The second one, hyphen.
Yeah.
And tu le chocolat. And then, est-ce que... I don't think there is an hyphen before it.
Okay.
Did you take it as note?
Oh, I have it hyphen everywhere, so
We just have a check.
yeah.
Yeah, there is, but there is not before the Q. Que.
Okay.
There
Okay.
is only in, which is normal because it's the verb and another one.
So just before.
Just this one, yeah.
Okay.
Est-ce que vous parlez anglais? Parlez-vous? Sorry. It's just that I'm used to the QWERTY keyboard and now I have an AZERTY one.
Mhm.
Okay. Yeah. So do not forget the hyphen. Make sure you don't meet a voyelle. You want to take the correction?
I did, yeah. I made the corrections.
Good. Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. So let's move to the next.